All right, so you just saw on the time lapse that it did on the second coat. The first coat just kind of loosened a little and we scraped most of it. The second coat did get most of it off. You can see there's still a little bit more that we got to sand. And then Pops is getting the powder coating oven ready. And I'm gonna do a little more cleanup on aisle 3 here and make these powder coat ready.
I'll start small, work my way up.
I think that's got a rubber coating on that Essex, so I'm not sure.
It's working.
Oh, that's not.
Seemed like it was coating. There it goes.
I don't know if that's gonna take it or not.
I don't either.
We'll see. Seemed like it was taking a lot of powder to coat it.
That's kind of weird, wasn't it? It didn't seem like it was sticking.
It may flow out and be just fine. I don't know.
No, not at all.
What do you mean, no, not at all?
That's the part.
Oh, you're kidding.
Yeah, it's like it's gone.
Wow, that's weird.
Yeah, do it again. I don't know where it went.
Well, that's more powder than I've ever put on anything. It still doesn't look like a coat.
No, it's going away.
Is this clear in here? Is this white?
It's clear. It looked white. I said, well, here's a white one. This
So-
is the white.
That's pretty cool. So you've got clear.
Gosh.
So you can
I
put-
thought that's white.
Oh,
Hey,
that.
blow that out, what you got in the gun. I didn't even read the thing.
You know, when you were
That's all
walking
it was
over
white.
here the first
Like
time,
I've
almost,
never put that much clear on.
I almost said something that it looks like it's all gone. By the time you got it to the oven,
Oh, it flows out good.
that's pretty wild.
Okay. Well, here's some more white.
That's the nice thing about powder coating is the gun's clean.
Yeah, that's pretty nice there, isn't it? Compared to paint.
Alright.
I should have had a Harbor Freight white.
You did,
Yeah.
right there. But I saw that. Thought, oh, there's a white. I'll just put it on there. Hey, that's nice and clear on there.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
Well, try it
it
again,
may
see
be
if it-
running.
Oh, I definitely coated it quickly.
I don't know how that one will look, but we'll see. Glad we didn't start on the big piece.
Yeah, really.
You'd have already saw.
You'd have burnt through that whole jug trying to make it white.
This should be quick. This should really stick real fast. It is hot. That was just real good.
Why don't you hang on to the part? That's your job in this, okay? Just pick it up.
I can't pick it up.
Powder coating 101. Always drop test your parts. Make sure the powder's sticking.
Need a screwdriver or something. Pick it up.
Well,
Well, guess that might be another good thing about powder coating over paint, huh?
Look way down there.
Because that was paint, you'd have to wipe it all.
Oh
yeah, we'd be done. We'd be
Do over.
revisiting.
Start over. Watch out, don't twist it too much.
I'm twisting it to where it's on there better.
Yeah, when you do the dry coat powder coating, you can blow away anything because it's cold. And if you do get some powder in an area you don't like, you can just brush it away, then put it in the oven. That's how people make designs and stuff out of it, is making sure the powder's like taped off, rip the tape off. If the powder looks good, they bake it, it's good. What are you doing with the big boys? Bring them.
I couldn't lift it.
Oh,
Maybe you need to lift it.
okay.
You might want more powerful. It's like, oh, I couldn't get it. How about a pair of vice grips?
Good. Put it like this.
Okay.
Hot enough for you?
It's hot, all right.
He's a warm one. I don't really want that energy going through my tires. Yeah, I guess it's fine. We'll see.
You want the inside of this?
Not really. Coat it heavier than that, though. Turn up the pressure a little.
Yeah, it's doing better now. I'll turn it up a little more. There she goes. Looks like I dumped all that new in there. Oh, you don't see that.
What do you mean you don't see it? I want it all coated, though.
You don't see the top. I know you want. I'm saying that to really get a good coat on it.
That's fine.
Oh, that's underneath.
Oh, that's
Good.
okay. I can take that.
Sure.
Hey, you know, take your time.
I'm looking for it. There it is. Gosh, I can't find it. You gonna stay on there?
Yeah, it's fine. Oh, yeah. Watch taking this clip off. And I push around. All right, here's when you cake on way too much clear, and then
We
put.
thought it was white.
Yeah, you set me up for failure.
I did.
So yeah, it's dripped all the way down off of it. That's crazy. I've never seen that before. Dripping powder. These look great though. Exactly how I wanted them.
We didn't let it move it was taking out my hand. But they're
Yeah, we can go to dinner now if you want, or lunch or whatever.
again.